Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome guys to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you a formula which is if then else formula. So let's start with it, and basically I'm gonna zoom in a bit, more than bit. So I'll add a couple of numbers like 25, 36, 38, my favorite numbers. So I'm gonna apply a if then condition in here in this block. So equals, these are conditions. If you can understand that by the words which are if then else. So if I say if 25 means this value in this cell is greater than 50, then add these two values. Okay, else there is else add these two values. Okay, so it's basic and you can understand what does it mean. So if I just put this, so it says, so what does it say? It is saying that 25 is greater than 50. If it is, then add b3 and b3, oh, b3 and b3, sorry, I think b2 and b3, else add b2 and b4. Actually I misspelled or something like that. You can just correct it like this. So what is happening in here? I'm gonna zoom in again, zoom more. I hate zooming. So this is our formula, this is our value, as you can see. Okay, if I say this is 2, means it is less than 50. So what will happen? These two will get added. Okay, these two will get added, as you can see, 32. If I say, oh, sorry, it's 30. If I say it's 30, means these two will get added. As you can see, 30 plus 36 is equal to 68. That's basic. So I'm gonna open a sheet of mine, actually a worksheet of mine, and show it to you now, so you can understand more of this. So I have the sheet, and that says results of PISJ students, means Pakistan International School Jeddah, which is in Saudi Arabia, school result. So I have what I did, I just took 3 subjects and total and its percentage, and you know how to get percentage. Percentage is total number, sorry, the number gained number by total number multiplied by 100. So that's percentage, and you can say, actually I can put percentage. Oops, I don't want to put it, so I'll just ignore it. I don't know what happened. So the main reason I bought this is, you know, to teach you this function, if function. I'll show you the if function first, and then I will just redo this function. So control tilde, and what will happen if I click control tilde? All the formulas will appear, and as you can see, this is our main formula. So what does it say? It says if G3 is greater than 80%, and G3 is this, greater than or is equal to 80%, then the percentage will be, or the result will be A1. Grade will be A1. If G3 is greater than or is equal to 70, then the student will get A. If G3 is greater than or equal to 60, then it's B. And if greater than is equal to 50, then C. And if greater than is equal to 40, then E. Actually I have just took out F I don't know, D, sorry, D, I don't know why. So we are gonna create this sheet right away, not this whole of sheet, but this thing in here. So control tilde again, and I have shown you these shortcuts once, so you should remember them, or you should be able to remember them, whatever. So I'm going to delete this formula in here, so that if I have problem I can see it from here. Okay, so I'm going to say equals, and I think I'm going to zoom in more so that you are better to get look on it. So I'll say equals if it's a condition which says, oops, what the hell, let me check. If the total percentage, which is this, is greater than or is equal to, okay, let's say 80%, 80, then print, it says print, okay, this means print A1. Else, if, of course, G3, I'm gonna just directly type G3. If G3 is greater than and is equal to 70%, then I want the result to be A. Else if, as you can see, you can create endless ifs in if else formula, which is, oh, this sucks. Okay, and I'm gonna just create it until C, so that it's a small tutorial. G3 again should be greater than or is equal to, let's say, 60%, then the result should give me C. Else, oops, B. I am really careless person. It should be B. Else if, I know it's kind of hard to think of it, but if you remember the thing that I have explained it, then you are good to go. Oh, sorry. If G3 is greater than or is equal to 50%, then your result should be C. Okay. Else, you should just print fail, and that should be good. So you need to put bracket so that you close them. It's hard to say how many brackets I have, so I'll just, yes, this is one green, second one purple, third one red, fourth one white, and that's all. Click OK. It doesn't matter. If A1, okay, you should curly braces, it should sorry, not curly braces, double quote, and this also should be double quote, not a single quote. Actually, I made a mistake in here because I didn't practice this formula since a year, so that's why I am having this problem. Actually, sorry. Now everything should be good, and if I go in here, you can see this formula comes. This is it. If I say this is 80%, and that should result in A1 again, there is no change. And I'll say 79.99, and that should A, yeah, 60.001, 60, sorry, not 6. 6 is fail, and 25% is also fail, 60% is B, and 50% is C. There is D, but I didn't do it. So all I need to do is copy all of this formula until the end, So this will get copied, as you can see, C, and I can change anything, which is impossible, this result. I'll teach you more of this later, but let's say 36. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, and then there should be a link in the below description. You have to use it and ask question there. Thank you guys.